Half coupling is used for taking small dia branching from large dia header pipe, and half coupling is directly fillet welded to the header pipe. Half coupling can be of socket weld end type or can be of screwed end type, and half coupling dimensions are as per ASME B1611 3000 pound, 6000 pound or 9000 pound. Half coupling is of robust construction and can be used for high pressure and high temperature service, but radiography is not possible for socket weld joint. Where radiography requirement is there or where cyclic operation is there, it is better to use weldolate instead of half coupling. Half couplings are recommended to use up to 50 bar pressure. Beyond 50 bar, it is better to use weldolate. Regarding size of half coupling, two considerations are there as per ASME B 31.3. Number one is branch size should not exceed 2 inch, that means 50 millimeter NB, and number two is branch size should not exceed 1/4 of header size. That means for 4-inch run pipe we should use half coupling up to 1 inch size. If we want 1.5 inch branch on 4-inch header, we should use 4 inch by 1.5 inch reducing T. Regarding welding of half coupling, normally hole is made on header pipe first and then half coupling is placed on header pipe and then fillet welding is done. It will be better if we grind bottom outside of half coupling to V shape and make full penetration welding. In this case, strength of half coupling will be double compared to strength of fillet welding. Commonly used half coupling material is forging material as per ASTM A105 for carbon steel half couplings and ASTM A182 grade F304 or F304L or F316 for stainless steel half couplings. OLED fittings are integrally reinforced branch outlet fittings and normally used up to branch size of 6 inch. OLEDs provide an outer form of larger header pipe to smaller branch pipe. Mainly three types of OLED fittings are used: weldolate, socolate and threadolate, and dimensions of OLED fittings are covered in MSS SP 97. Weldolate has header side and branch side beveled end, whereas socolate is having header side beveled end and branch side socket weld end, and threadolate is having header side beveled end and branch side female threaded end. Weldolate is having both beveled end, and weldolate is considered as butt welding fittings, and the shape is designed to minimize stress concentration. Weldolates are used for high pressure and high temperature service where radiography requirement is there, and for critical fluids where leakage is hazardous and where cyclic operation is there. Commonly used OLED fittings material is forging material as per ASTM A105 for carbon steel OLED fittings and ASTM A182 grade F304 or F304L or F316 for stainless steel OLED fittings. Now, how to define OLED fittings? That means weldolate, socolate and threadolate. OLED fittings reinforcing characteristic is a function of the run pipe wall thickness, because material removed from run pipe is compensated by integral reinforcement of OLED. Hence, the basic schedule or pressure rating level of the OLED fittings are determined by the wall thickness of the run pipe. When the wall thickness of the run pipe and the branch pipe are different, the wall thickness of both run pipe and the branch pipe should be specified. But the run pipe wall thickness is used to determine outlet pressure rating level, and the wall thickness of outlet or branch end should match with the wall thickness of the branch pipe. In MSS SP 97, basic rating or schedule of weldolets are defined as Schedule Standard, Schedule XS and Schedule 160, whereas sockolets and threadolets are defined as 3000 pound and 6000 pound depending on design pressure. Let us take an example. Say header pipe size is 12 inch schedule 20 and branch pipe size is 2 inch schedule standard. So the description of the weldolet shall be weldolet schedule standard 12 inch by 2 inch schedule 20 by schedule standard. If header pipe is 12 inch schedule standard and branch pipe is 2 inch schedule standard, then description of weldolet shall be weldolet schedule standard 12 inch by 2 inch schedule standard by schedule standard. If header pipe is 12 inch schedule 40 and branch pipe is 2 inch schedule standard, then description of weldolet shall be weldolet schedule XS 12 inch by 2 inch schedule 40 by schedule standard. Because in MSS SP 97 weldolet ratings are schedule standard, schedule XS and schedule 160, and for 12 inch schedule standard is thicker than 12 inch schedule 20 and 12 inch schedule XS is thicker than 12 inch schedule 40. For same 12 inch by 2 inch branching, description of sockolet shall be sockolet 12 inch by 2 inch 3000 pound or 6000 pound depending on pressure, and description of threadolet shall be threadolet 12 inch by 2 inch 3000 pound or 6000 pound depending on pressure. This is one socket weld end half coupling. Bottom side is plain and fillet welding is done between bottom of half coupling with header pipe. Top side of half coupling is having socket weld end and branch pipe is fillet welded. This is one sockolet. Bottom side is having beveled end and bottom side profile matches with header pipe outer profile, and full penetration welding is done with header pipe. Branch side is having socket weld end and branch pipe is fillet welded. This is one 8 inch by 2 inch weldolet having both side beveled end and bottom portion is having profile matching with OD of 8 inch pipe. To install this weldolet, first opening is done on 8 inch header pipe, then weldolet is placed on header pipe and full penetration welding is done between header pipe top and weldolet bottom. Then branch pipe is butt welded with top beveled end of weldolet.